Let's go down south to make some Cajun jambalaya. First, we'll be melting in some unsalted butter, taking in 1 pound of chicken tender diced with some blackened seasoning. Cook until brown, then adding in 6 ounces of andouille sausage, 1 pound of tasso ham, just like so. Remove the meat and adding in some more unsalted butter. Add next white onion, chopped celery, chopped green bell peppers, garlic, and shallots. Saute this till translucent or it is combined. Next, adding in soy sauce, fish sauce, and Worcestershire sauce, just like so. Adding in back in our protein. Then next, taking in 2 cups of long grain rice, give this a nice mix. 32 ounces of chicken stock goes right in. Finishing out with pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and also blackening seasoning. Cover this and cook until all the water has been absorbed. Very nice. Playtime! Today, we're going to be serving this with a little bit of garnish of green onion and parsley. And the wine today is Kombucha Chenin Blanc from the Western Cape of South Africa. Flavors of pear, white peach, and lime, juicy palates of cantaloupe, melon, and papaya, finishing dry. And there we have it. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye.